Hi everyone, this is Kristen with the Tech Reviewer, and today I'm here with the Moment case for iPhone 15 Pro Max. So this is a very slim and sleek case. It's got a great feel in the hand, just a little bit bigger than Apple's Silicone case, but it's going to provide a whole lot more protection at 10 feet of drop protection. You've also got color-matched anodized aluminum buttons on here, a nicely textured back, and a soft microfiber lining. And of course, the case is MagSafe. This case is also going to be compatible with Moment's system of add-on lenses, their new T-series lenses, which are supposed to be excellent, but you don't need to use the lenses on this case. This case is going to be perfectly fine as a standalone case. So lots to love here. In this review, we're going to be looking at this case in all four colors. You've got black, you've got your indigo blue, you've got an olive green, and a red clay color, as well as their matching wrist straps. Let's get started. Looking first at the Indigo version of the Moment case. This is a very pleasant case in the hand, quite slim and lightweight. So it's made of a combination of TPU and polycarbonate, probably more TPU than polycarbonate because you have a relatively flexible feel to it. You've got a series of tiny grooves here on the back, which have a nice look to them, and they also give you a bit of grip. You don't have that on the sides, however, the sides have less grip than the back. You've got these beautiful anodized aluminum buttons, which are color matched. They've got a really nice, high quality look to them. And then looking on the interior, you've got this soft microfiber lining, and then your MagSafe magnets are sandwiched in between the microfiber and the back of the case. So they are nicely positioned there. You don't have to worry that they're going to scratch the back of your phone or anything like that. So this case is really easy to get on and off your phone. You just want to put your phone in on your left-hand side and then clip on your right-hand corners. Very, very easy. Once on, we've got a good fit overall, although you do have some give over your button areas as well as your port opening areas. As far as the amount of lip, I think that you have sufficient lip to protect your screen, although I don't have any kind of a tempered glass screen protector or any kind of screen protector on here, so you got to keep that in mind. Overall, though, I think things look good. Looking down at our port opening areas, you have a very long port opening area because you've got a spot for a wrist strap on either side here. It depends on which side you like to wear your wrist strap. You can attach it over here or you can attach it over there. So that's convenient, but it does give you very long port openings and very symmetrical port openings as well. So some people are going to find that that looks a little bit odd. As far as your USB-C opening, I think you should be able to fit most USB-C cables here, so I don't think you're going to have any problem there. And as far as wrist straps are concerned, you can get color-matched wrist straps for these cases for all of them except the red clay. So I think that that looks cool. These are nice little wrist straps from Moment. They're relatively high priced, but they do look really cool with a color-matched wrist strap and color-matched case. And again, you can attach them on either side. And then going up the sides, you got a smooth TPU here. This doesn't have a whole lot of grip, but it is going to slide easily in and out of pockets and handbags. Going up here to our buttons and our lack of an action button cover, this is the weak spot of the case, unfortunately. So first off, they're beautiful. They look really nice. Your volume up and down buttons are this anodized aluminum that's color matched. Really, really nice. However, in terms of usage, they don't work all that well. So the problem that you have is that they are overly sensitive. Your volume down button is going to work fine as long as you press on the lower part of the volume down button. However, if you press on the upper part of your volume down button, you're going to press volume up because your volume up area is just too sensitive. And the volume up area is going to extend from the upper part of the volume down button to the action button area. So when you are pressing your action button, it's also possible to press the volume up area by mistake. Hopefully this is just an issue with this particular run of cases and that Moment fixed this issue after the samples got sent out. But at least on my cases, this area is really kind of problematic. So looking at the view from the top here, everything looks beautiful. Got plenty of protection here for your screen. And then going over here to the side button. Side button is, again, lovely anodized aluminum and very responsive. No issues here with the side button. Looking at the back of the case, I think everything looks very nice here. We have a series of small grooves here on the back, which give you a bit more grip on the back than you have on the sides. This is not a terribly grippy case, but gives you enough grip so that I think this feels secure in the hand. You've got some Moment branding up here, and overall, I think everything looks quite good. This series of grooves on here is going to do a decent job in repelling fingerprints, and I do think it gives some visual interest to the case. So looking here at your camera area, you have sufficient camera rim to protect your lenses. And if you choose to get the optional lenses, then you're going to actually remove this camera rim and you're going to put on a special camera rim which is compatible with Moment's series of lenses. So I haven't actually used the new lenses yet because I haven't received them. But if this is anything like Moment's previous generation of lenses, this whole new drop-in lens mount thing and lens attachment should work really well, should be very convenient. As far as wireless charging is concerned, you're not going to have any issue with regular Qi wireless charging or the new Qi 2 wireless charging standard. And of course, this is going to work great with Apple's MagSafe charger because it's a MagSafe case, so no problems there. You're also going to be able to use this with other MagSafe accessories such as Apple's wallet. That's going to work just fine. So you got a nice magnetic connection on here. And you're also going to be able to use this with other MagSafe accessories such as MagSafe power banks. So really nice case. The only issue is with that volume button area and the lack of an action button cover. Removing the case is very easy. Just start up in your top right-hand corner, push that off, go down to your bottom right-hand corner, push that off, and then pull out your phone. Looking at the lovely olive green color of the Moment case, again, this one has a matching wrist strap color, so I think that that's a really nice look. Let's attach this one on. Again, I could attach it on either side. So we're just going to thread this one through. This is something you want to do before you put your phone in. Putting your phone in here is really easy. Having the wrist strap there doesn't really affect anything. And as you can see, we got a very nice look here with the olive green. Buttons are beautiful, if a little bit problematic. And I'm loving the look with this matching wrist strap. And then checking it out on the black. I already installed the wrist strap on this one. So we get the full wrist strap experience. Again, of course, matching black wrist strap with the black case. And everything looks very nice here. Black is always a classic. And again, it looks fantastic with natural titanium. Really attractive look. Finally, checking this out on the beautiful red clay Moment case. Really classy shade of red. I think everything looks great here. This is the only case which doesn't actually have a matching wrist strap. There is a red wrist strap that Moment has, but the color of red is really very different, and I don't think they look good together. But this looks beautiful on the phone. Everything is very nice. Really great look on the phone. So all in all, I think we have a really interesting case here from Moment. I'm loving the design with the grooves on the back. I think that these give a really interesting look and feel to the case. And I think it's fantastic that this is compatible with Moment's system of add-on lenses. Their new T-series lenses are supposed to be absolutely fantastic. So if you want to, you can always splurge and get the lenses and then add additional functionality to your phone. So that is awesome. So less than awesome are the lack of an action button cover and this issue with the volume up and down buttons. Hopefully an action button cover is added to this phone case in future and this issue with the volume button is addressed. So other than that though, really nice case, smooth and sleek, great look, very classy, 10 feet of drop protection, and then you have the option also to purchase a matching wrist strap. So overall, really cool case here from Moment. Again, we've been looking at the Moment case for iPhone 15 Pro Max. These cases are available directly from Moment, and they're priced regularly at $49.99, although they're currently on sale for 10% off. They come in the beautiful black, indigo, olive green, and red clay versions shown in this review, and you can also purchase the optional wrist strap for $24.99. These come in the black, blue, olive, and red colors shown in this review, and they also come in a gray and sand version. Many thanks to the kind folks at Moment for sending me out these samples to review. If you have any questions about these products or anything else, please feel free to put them in the comments section below, and I'll do my best to answer them. And do consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't already so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming reviews. Again, this is Kristen with the Tech Reviewer. Thanks so much for watching, and have a wonderful day.